Hi, I'm Dr. Ulit Selvan, consultant hepatologist and chairman division of liver transplantation, Manipal Hospitals, Bangalore. When you take alcohol, alcohol has to be metabolized by the liver to convert it into non-toxic substances which are harmful to the body. So when the liver takes up the load of converting alcohol into non-toxic substances, the liver itself gets damaged in the process, and if this happens continuously over a period of time, there is bound to be liver damage.
11 Foods good for the liver. Amazing foods good for the liver. The liver is one of the most vital organs that we have in our body. Aside from the fact that it is the biggest internal organ we have, it is also equally noteworthy to remember that we should also make sure that we maintain its healthy status by taking food which is healthy for it. In this article, I will be sharing with you the list of this food. 1. Beetroot juice for a healthy liver. Beetroot juice, to be exact, can lessen the organ's inflammation and oxidative damage. In doing so, the detoxification enzymes are increasing, making it ideal for the organ to function healthily and regularly. 2. Blueberries and cranberries. A 3 to 4 times consumption of these in a week can prevent you from suffering from organ-related damage. Blueberries can increase the immune cell response as well as antioxidant enzymes. Thus, the growth of possible cancer cells and tissues is also prevented. 3. Coffee for a healthy liver. Several studies show that coffee can enhance a healthy organ. Conditions like cirrhosis and other liver damage such as cancer and other chronic liver diseases could be prevented if an individual drinks coffee for at least thrice a cup in a day. The antioxidants content of coffee also helps in removing harmful radicals found in the body. 4. Cruciferous vegetables for a healthy liver. Broccoli, Brussels, and mustard greens are just a few examples of these. The compounds that these vegetables contain are beneficial in protecting the liver from possible inflammation and damage while increasing the detoxification of enzymes. 5. Fatty fish. Fishes that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon and the likes are healthy for our liver. Not only they are delicious, but enough iodine present to these fatty fishes also establish an outstanding balance on our liver health. Indeed, fatty fish is one good food for this organ. 6. Grapes. Some of the advantages that grapes bring to our liver are the decrease in possible inflammation, an increase in antioxidants, and prevention from organ damage. This is why taking grape extracts has been a trend in a lot of natural remedies for liver diseases. 7. Grapefruit. Another good for the liver is the grapefruit. The naringenin and naringin antioxidant content of grapefruit makes the grapefruit ideal in protecting one's organ from possible injuries. Overall, it protects the organ from possible inflammation and possible cell-related problems. If it is damaged or swelling that you're worried about, grapefruit can help you in that matter. 8. Nuts. Nuts are rich in vitamin E, and this specific vitamin is powerful in helping the liver function healthily. The improvement in the level of organ enzyme is significant for those who take nuts as part of their meal plans. 9. Olive oil. One of the healthy fats is olive oil, and the usage of it in preparing our meals can help our organs in a variety of ways. There is a significant decrease in liver fats and improvement in the enzyme level through olive oil. 10. Prickly pear. More than being a traditional medicine used to cure wounds and even ulcer, prickly pear also works in maintaining a healthy liver. It protects the organ from being damaged because of the inflammation brought by drinking liquor or alcoholic beverages. Because of this, an individual suffering from a hangover will be reduced. 11. Tea. A Japanese study shows that an intake of at least 5 to 10 cups of green tea daily results to improved liver health. It is also rich in antioxidants along with enzymes and fats which protect the organ. Because of this, conditions such as liver cancer could be prevented. Now that you are familiar with the list of food which can help you maintain a healthy liver, there is no going back. You have to begin your journey towards planning a healthy and organ-friendly lifestyle. Keep healthy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, follow. More idea and health and wellness stories.
Foods that cleanse the liver. Garlic. Just a small amount of this pungent white bulb has the ability to activate liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins. Garlic also holds high amounts of allicin and selenium, two natural compounds that aid in liver cleansing. Walnuts. Apart from being good for heart health, walnuts can also help in cleansing the liver naturally. They are high in amino acid arginine, which support the liver and detoxify ammonia. Omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts help in normal cleansing of the liver. Turmeric. This herb works wonders for the liver. It helps the enzymes that flush out toxins and contains antioxidants that repair liver cells. It also assists the liver in detoxing metals, while boosting bile production. Green tea. Green tea has plant-based antioxidants known as catechins, the compounds that are known to assist liver function and eliminate liver fat accumulation. So sip 2-3 cups of green tea every day to ensure a healthy liver. Beets and carrots. Both are extremely high in plant flavonoids and beta-carotene. Eating beets and carrots can stimulate and support overall liver function. Olive oil. The kind of cooking oil that you use has an effect on your liver. While you want to cleanse your liver naturally, it may help in switching to organic oils like flaxseed, hemp and olive oil. Such cooking oils provide a lipid base which can absorb harmful toxins from the body. This takes some burden off from the liver as well. Avocado. Avocados are basically a superfood. In addition to cleansing your arteries, they help the body naturally produce glutathione, the compound that helps the liver rid itself of toxins. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli and cauliflower are good sources of glucosinolate, which supports enzyme production in the liver. These natural enzymes flush carcinogens and other toxins from the body, and may significantly lower risks associated with cancer. Lemons and lime. Citrus fruits like lemon and lime can help in cleansing the liver naturally. They are rich in vitamin C and help the body synthesize toxic substances from the body in a way that they can be absorbed by water. Drink freshly squeezed lime juice or lemon in the morning to stimulate liver to function in a better way.